Is it recording? Yes. Alright, so this, yeah. That's the whole thing.
Okay.
So this song is called Such a Beautiful Sound, or... Oh, Such a Beautiful Sound, or just Such a Beautiful Sound?
Whatever you want it to be.
Alright, and we're gonna play it for you. Rush of wind and we know the season's over. Time to move on and get out. Bless my castaway, I'll send a postcard in the autumn when all that's grown up dies away. Oh, such a beautiful sound. And oh, such a beautiful sound. Sitting in a corner, my favorite corner, with a pen and a future to write. Take it all, yeah, set it on fire, let the embers of my pain burn bright. And oh, such a beautiful sound. And oh, such a beautiful sound. In gasping solitude, I can finally breathe. In gasping solitude, I can finally inhale and exhale, release inhibition, tear down the walls of your faulty tradition and breathe. And breathe. Okay, we're done.
Dude, I want to